Welcome students. Here we are discussing Bravais space lattices. Bravais lattice is the space lattice in which the lattice points correspond to identical set of one or more atoms such that the lattice points are equivalent. Now let us understand with the help of figure. We have two Bravais lattices. The figure on the left side represents a Bravais lattice with bases containing three atoms. Now here, if we consider each lattice point, it is occupied by a basis containing three atoms. If we consider any one particular lattice point, it has identical surroundings such that all the lattice points are equivalent to each other. Hence, this space lattice represents a Bravais lattice. Now consider the second one, the figure on the right side. This represents a Bravais lattice with the basis containing two atoms. This is the first atom, this is the second atom. These two together constitutes the basis of this crystal structure. Now again, in this case also, if we consider any one particular lattice point, it has identical surroundings. All the lattice points in its surroundings are identical. Hence, all the lattice points in of the given space lattice are equivalent of each other. So we can conclude that this space lattice also represents a Bravais lattice. Non-Bravais lattice. Non-Bravais lattice is the space lattice which correspond to different lattice points, and the different lattice points correspond to different set of atoms such that the lattice points are not equivalent of each other. So if the lattice points are not equivalent of each other, the space lattice is treated as non-Bravais lattice. Now let us understand this concept with the help of figure. In the figure, we have lattice points represented by thick dots, A represented by A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Similarly, circles represented by A, B, C, D. There is a typing error here. Thick dots represents the lattice points A, B, C, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and small circles represents the lattice points A, B, C, D. Now observe here, if we consider only the circles alone, they are equivalent of each other. All of them are identical with respect to each other. They are equivalent. Similarly, if we consider the dots represented by A dash, B dash, C dash, they are also identical with respect to each other. Now, if we consider the lattice points A and A dash, or B and B dash, C and D dash, they are not identical to each other. Such type of space lattice where the lattice points are not identical to each other are called as non-Bravais lattice. Now the same concept was explained. Thus, if we take A dash, they are not equivalent. Similarly, if we take B, B dash, they are not equivalent. C, C dash, they are not equivalent. Because of this non-equivalence, the space lattice is termed as non-Bravais lattice. Here, even though as overall picture, the space lattice is a non-Bravais lattice because of non-equivalence, we can treat this non-Bravais lattice as one set of equivalent points ABC constitute one Bravais lattice because all the lattice points represented by the small circles, they have identical surroundings. Hence, if we consider only those lattice points alone, it constitutes a one Bravais lattice. Similarly, if we consider the other set of lattice points represented by dots, they also constitute another Bravais lattice, because if you consider them alone, they are equivalent of each other. So that also constitutes a Bravais lattice. Thus, we can conclude that a non-Bravais lattice can be considered as the superposed pattern of two or more interpolating Bravais lattices. For example, if we take NaCl, NaCl can be treated as a superposition of two space lattices, one space lattice consisting of sodium atoms and another space lattice consisting of chloride atoms. These two superposed space lattices superpose each other to generate NaCl crystal structure. For a non-Bravais lattice, geometrical grouping can be done with the combination of two or more lattice points. Usually, in case of Bravais lattice, we have single lattice points. Whereas in case of non-Bravais lattice, we take the combination of two or more Bravais lattices, lattice points, and it is treated as equivalent to a single lattice point, so that a non-Bravais lattice can be converted into Bravais lattice. In case of non-equivalence, the non-equivalence of the lattice points can be converted into equivalence by treating two or more space lattices as a single unit. On the basis of different combinations of symmetry elements, in 1845, a French crystallographer, Auguste J. Bravais, mathematically proved that there are only 14 distinguishable ways of arrangements possible for space lattices in three dimensions. While understanding the unit cell, we learned that we have infinite different possibilities of sketching the unit cell. Accordingly, we have infinite different ways of representing the space lattices. But if we use the concept of symmetry, all such different possible combinations can be grouped such that only 14 different ways of arrangements are possible for space lattices. The other space lattices are equivalent to any one of these 14 different possible ways. This is in three dimensions. These 14 these 14 space lattices are called as the fundamental space lattices. Among them, one is general, while the remaining 13 are special space lattices. These 14 space lattices are popularly known as Bravais space lattices. So now let us define Bravais space lattices. The point and group symmetry sequences give rise to 14 different lattice types which are distinguishable. Those 14 fundamental space lattices are called as Bravais lattices or Bravais space lattices. Further, on the basis of mathematical analysis, Bravais showed that these 14 space lattices can be grouped into only 7 crystal systems. That is, we can group them into 7 different set of lattice parameters, and these 7 set of lattice parameters are sufficient to obtain the primitive unit cell for any space lattice. Accordingly, we have 14 space lattices which are conveniently grouped into 7 crystal systems.